In this first look video from InfluenceWP, we're going to be looking at PassiveWP, which is an all-in-one affiliate marketing solution for WordPress. Before we dive into the company website and the actual solution, if you would, just a quick bit of housekeeping about first look videos. These videos cover solutions that we have no prior experience with. They show vendors how new users experience their products and services for the very first time. They show users our experience with the initial setup, and then we offer best practices if we can think of any at the time. These videos are unedited. We simply hit record and publish whatever comes out. These are not official tutorials, although they include tutorial aspects in a lot of cases. They contain no affiliate links. Also, we are not paid to do these videos. We're not sponsored in any way. If you would like videos like this or other types of videos created for your business, it's very easy and free to become a lifetime partner of InfluenceWP. Go to influencewp.com/partners. And PassiveWP is one of our partners. And if you want an exclusive deal, go to our website and check out their deal listing. Okay, let's go ahead and dive in. So what I have here, again, is their website pulled up. Then we're going to look at the solution, and yeah, we'll just see how this goes. Hopefully, I do this some justice. There's quite a bit going on here from what I'm reading on the website. So hopefully I can do this some justice and make the founder Nathan proud here. So let's go ahead and dive in. So I'm just going to poke around like I normally do on the website and just see if I want to mention anything specifically. So we're looking at some features here. Just going to see if anything jumps out. Okay, down in the footer is where I usually find the goodies. And what I want to look at here is the Help Center, the roadmap, changelog, contact us, about us, and then, yeah, I think that's good for now. So it looks like you can reach them in a number of places in social media. So that's cool. So very easily reachable from what I'm seeing. So here we have a help center. It's like you can search through some stuff here, some pre-sales questions, FAQs. Okay, good stuff. They have a roadmap. So we've got some in progress, what's been released, what's planned. Excuse me, told you these were unedited. So that will stay, that sneeze will stay in there. So we got the idea. So there's a lot of activity, obviously, on the roadmap. Here we have a change log, and we can see that things are active and moving along. So that is good to see. Contact us. We have a contact form there, and they give you their email address. So very easy to reach. They also have this chat widget in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. And then lastly, on the About page, more links to social media. Oh, this is what I like to see. So I like to put faces with names, know who's behind the company. It establishes trust with the customer. And it's really refreshing to see. I like to see that kind of thing. And I've spoken to Nathan. There's Nathan numerous times, very responsive, very kind gentleman. So yeah, very happy to be showing off his solution here, which I have no prior experience with, but from what I'm reading, it looks super cool. And let's find out. Okay, so I'm going to leave this up just in case we need to reference it. I'm going to take myself off the screen. And what I've done before hitting record is I've installed the plugin. I have not activated it. So we're going to, just in case we see something when I activate it, I want you guys to be able to see it for the first time. All right, so let's go. Okay, right off the bat, we need a license key, and I have that somewhere on my other screen. There we go. Cool. All right, so we are in, so to speak. So let's see what we've got here. Get started with PassiveWP, everything you need for professional affiliate marketing. Let's do this. This sounds like what I would want to do. Begin onboarding. Okay, Amazon partner tag and country. Okay, so I think I've got my tag. Nathan was kind enough to provide me with a tag, so I didn't have to go through that process. I am not experienced with like being an Amazon partner or anything like that. So hopefully I can speak to it like, or show you something here. Hopefully I don't get too hung up on anything. But like I said, he was kind enough to set me up with a tag. So I'm going to drop that in. And then the tracking country, I'm in the US. So we're just going to go ahead and roll with that. Okay, Amazon product advertising API keys. All right, I have those as well. So let me grab that. So I'm going to click this. Yes, I have API keys. Drop that in. Obfuscated. That's good. So you can't see it. Okay, now we need the secret. So I'm going to drop that in. Also obfuscated. That's cool. And let's click next. AI optimize. Automatically optimize product data with AI. Yeah, let's do that. Open AI API key. Okay, I think I have that as well. Thank you, Nathan. Grab that here. All right. I purposely went really fast just in case it wasn't obfuscated, but it was. So all good. So I just dropped the key in, hit next. That's all that happened there. Okay. Universal disclosure. Show a universal disclosure on posts with affiliate links. Yeah, I always like to disclose when anything has an affiliate link, and I like when people do that as well. So let's go ahead and do that. And then we're going to click next here. That's funny. So then we've got Tina Fey doing a dance there, if you know who Tina Fey is. All right, so let's go ahead and rock and roll. Let's click finish. Okay, so here we are back in our dashboard, and we kind of see some stats, analytics, if you will. I am seeing this yellow box here, which I thought we put the Amazon tag in there, but let's go ahead and make sure that's kicking in. Okay, so it's actually wanting us to put some more information in there. Okay, what is your site about? Helping people with WordPress. We are on the previous screen, we enabled automatic AI optimization. So that's checked. Enable automatic Amazon affiliate disclosure. We checked that earlier too. We're not going to do the beta features for this video. So I'm just going to click save. Okay, let's go ahead and just work our way down through this menu. Let's go to Amazon. Okay, there's just some information here on if you want to strengthen your security, which I would do if this was a real world situation where I was setting this up for myself. Let's go to OpenAI. That's just showing our key again. And if you want to enhance security, which I recommend. Design. So it looks like here we can do some branding. Okay, so let's leave the border as is. Let's maybe change the badge to close to our InfluenceWP colors. It's pretty close. And then maybe the button. Cool. And then over here, you see it starting to build that out for us. So you can see firsthand what it's going to look like. Disclosure. We use affiliate links for this. Okay. Show price. Let's go ahead and toggle that on. Show disclosure. Let's toggle that on. So then you can see that just dropped something down here. Hide description. Okay. Okay, so you see that it's toggling this on right here, on and off this description. I'm gonna go ahead and leave that on. Okay, cool. Let's just roll with that. And that's our branding, so to speak. And let's do save. Okay. Let's go to reports, enable email reports. Let's check that. We can put our email address in here. Report frequency, weekly, daily, monthly. Let's go ahead and just send us a test report. Maybe we have to save first. Let's save. There we go. So you have to save your settings on there first. Save your email address in there, then go back and send test report. Okay, so we'll go ahead and continue, and then we'll wait and see if that email comes through. Let's go to insertion, enable automatic passive WP block insertion. Automatically insert passive WP blocks into post pages that meet the criteria and don't already have a block in the same position. All right, we're going to skip that. Let's go ahead and check it. Yeah, that's okay. We're going to skip that for this video, but it looks like you can get into some automation. and things like that. I don't want to do that a disservice here in this video. So I'm going to we'll do it. We'll try to do something manually. So let's save that again. Okay, so it looks like an email came through. So this is just our test email. So this is a preview of what yours is going to look like. So we've got some statistics in here, out of stock products at the bottom. All right, so we'll go ahead and move on from that. Let's click on links here. Cloaked link prefix. So if you set a prefix, e.g. go, then cloaked links will become /go/your/slug. Leave blank if you want to use the top level cloaked links. So it's /your/slug. So let's go ahead. We'll put a cloak in here. We'll put IWP and save that. So now it's going to be /IWP/slug. All right, what's next? Let's go to dashboard. So again, we saw that. That's where our stats and everything are going to be. Performance, analytics, products. What's that? So it looks like we can add a product here. And this looks like it's our Amazon stuff. All right, maybe this is what the Amazon API key connects to. Somehow we pull these in. Search Amazon. Okay, fetch URL. Add a full Amazon URL to search to retrieve a specific product. Okay, cool. And then this is where I guess our products will live that we have going on. All right, so let's search Amazon. Let's do. I'm a dog owner, dog lover, so let's do dog beds. Because if you're an affiliate for something, right, you want to sell stuff that you believe in, right? So dogs, dog beds. Okay, so I just typed in keywords, dog bed, hit enter. Here we go. All right, so let's just say, read about this here, more info. Here we go. Memory foam, yada, yada, yada. All right, cool. Estimated, so there's like the cost of the item. Then there is an estimated commission. Again, I have no experience with this. I know how affiliate marketing, affiliate sales, all that stuff works, but not specifically with Amazon. So it looks like it's sorting them by the largest estimated commission, or maybe that's just by chance. Because if you look at the sort by up here, average customer reviews, interesting. So maybe, yeah, I don't know. Maybe that's why. Maybe it coincides. If it's average customer reviews, that's the one that's going to give you, the commissions are coinciding with that, right? All right, let's just do that. Let's click this add to my products. And we are just waiting for it to add. It's probably negotiating something there behind the scenes. There we go. It says it's been added. And let's go to the my products tab. There we go. Let's see. So we looked at the more info earlier. So it's got a little bit more information here. So it's got like a last sync date. So maybe, let's say the vendor of this dog bed updates the description at some point, it's going to sync and give that accurate information on your website. Let's go to options here. Okay, let's see. Can we edit this? What's in there if we edit it? Oh, wow. Okay. So this is kind of our branding that we set up earlier. And let's see, product ID, title. Looks like can you edit that? Oh, wow. Cool. So you can edit that. So underneath, it's the official, information, the meta, if you will. But on the top, it looks like you can customize it however you feel is going to make the best sales. So here in a custom image, I could put a photo of my dog, Charlie or Karis, in here, like a cute picture of them to help sell it. Maybe they're using the actual bed. Badge text. What's that? Badge. Oh, that's cool. Hot. Or you can do this is be too wordy, but you do my dogs love this. Theme. So you've got some themes. Not sure what that does. I didn't see any changes there. All right, not sure what that does. Price non-editable. Yeah, see, this is kind of like that meta that's like you can't change. Some things you just can't change. Primary button URL. Okay, primary button text by now. Secondary button URL. Yo. Learn more. Okay. That's the button. Oh, okay. That's the URL. I'm an idiot. Okay. So URL, learn more. Okay, cool. So you can set up 2 buttons for whatever purpose you need there. You can edit the description. Here's that disclosure stuff. We use affiliate links for this. Cool. Save. This is really cool. I don't even know how this works. Like, I don't even know how, like, is it just, I'm guessing you have to sign up to Amazon to qualify to do this, right? And I bet your website has to meet certain criteria or something. But man, if you can get in there and do that, like this just seems like a no-brainer. Like, why wouldn't you do it? Especially if it's products you believe in. But I guess like you don't even have to believe in it, really. Like, I don't know. Like, I don't know. Debatable. Add category. What's this do? IWP category. Now let's do this. Maybe we do IWP pets. All right. Tags. Create a tag. Dog bed. Save. Did that do anything? Tags. Type to search or create a tag. Dog bed. Oh, there we go. Okay. Save that. All right. Now let's go back to our products. Can we add a tag and a category to this? I guess that's what we already did. There we go. Okay. So we did that. So now this product will fall in our IWP pets category and we'll tag it with dog bed. Click save. All right. Performance. So I guess, this is our sales over time, our, here's views, clicks, click through rate, CTR. You can sort the reports by time periods and whatnot. Cool. All right, let's go back to our dashboard. Let's see what else we need to know. We don't have any stats, obviously, because just because. So let's try to trigger that. My products. Let's figure out, how do I grab a link? How do I get in here? Let's edit this again. Where's my primary link? Okay. Links. That would make sense, right? Maybe. All right, let's get out of there. So we're out of products now. We've got an out of stock area. Okay, so you're going to want to know like which products you're an affiliate of are out of stock so you can make adjustments on your end. Articles, let's come back to that. I want to find this link. I want to see what these links are. I'm trying to find the link to the actual product. So let's go add new link. Create new cloaked link. Okay. IWP dog bed. Target URL. Okay. You're creating a cloak. Let's go to the website here. I'm trying to think. Is this link cloak link? Transform your URL. So I'm guessing this is the product URLs into clean links with your, yeah, okay. But how do we find our so this is where you would filter all of your products. Okay, but I know my product, that's here. How do I get the link? Maybe this is it if I click on this. Okay, maybe it's this. All right, so let's grab that. Let's go back to our links. Target URL. So we want to target that product on Amazon and we want to cloak it. Let's just go with the temporary redirect. We can do a 301 permanent or a 307 temporary preserve method. Let's just go with temporary. And we see here, remember when we set that cloaked part of the slug? So we see that right here, the IWP. And then let's just put let's just put dog bed. So all they're going to see here is this link here with our products. They're not going to know that it's actually this underneath. And the reason is for the reason PassiveWP states here: transform your URLs into branded, clean links with intuitive link cloaking. Yeah, and so on and so forth. Okay, so let's go ahead and copy that link, save it. That's there. Okay, so we have that link now. So let's go back a level. There we go. So here's our links that we can easily manage and copy, track the clicks, sort, filter, all of that type of stuff. Okay, cool. Let's go back into that link analytics. All right, pretty self-explanatory. Tags and categories. So here again, we could put that IWP pet. Check that off. Tags, dog bed, save. Auto link keywords. Okay. Automation keywords. Let's add a keyword. I'm just making stuff up. Let's just put that in there. Dog bed. Okay. So if someone searches for dog bed, it's going to come up. Okay. Settings. Active. Enable this link throughout the site. Auto linking. All right. That sounds good. Max keywords per post. How many times to auto link these keywords? Oh, okay. So this is where that automation piece comes in that we opted out of at the beginning. So let's say we opted in and we had a post that had, I don't know, put a 5 in here. Our keyword, which in this case is dog bed, comes up in a post. It's going to automatically drop that product in there. Okay. So that is that. Let's go. We did settings. We haven't done articles yet. Let's go to articles and just see what this is about. Add new article. Let's got best of list, product review, product comparison, or informational. Let's just do informational. Article title, best. Well, I just got done saying we're going to do informational. Let's do best of list. Best dog beds. Dog beds will be our keyword, topic, category. What would this be under? Pet supplies. Here we go. Tone, friendly, voice, first person, style, casual, custom instructions for the AI. We'll just go ahead and leave that alone. Let's click next. Number of products, you can set that. Add products placeholder. Let's just leave that as is. So let's click this, find products for me. There we go. Topic keyword, generate now. So this is the criteria that it's going to look for the article. So let's click generate now. There we go. Pending, patiently waiting my turn. That's what it says here. I'm not really sure what it's doing, but it's negotiating in the back end, I think. What do we do? Let's move on. Let's check out pricing. See if we can hopefully we can move away from this screen and come back. I'm assuming we can. Let's go to pricing. Okay, that's pricing for the actual PassiveWP. Okay, let's go back to our articles. That is still pending. Okay, how do we add a product to a page or post? Let's add a new post. This site is just a blueprint site. It has the latest version of WordPress, and it has the 2025 theme. So we're working with the block editor here. So let's do dog beds, and let's does PassiveWP have a block? Okay, there's a block for PassiveWP. So I just did a slash and then started typing in passive. You could also go through over here, the navigation on the left, and find it that way. Okay, single product card. Let's try that out. But look at all these options. Single product card, button, grid, carousel, image, tables and beta, list, pros and cons. Let's do single product card. Okay. Then you could find all which products you want to insert using filters. I already know that we've got a product in here. So let's go to my products and let's do an insert here on that top bed. Let's do that. There we go. And you've got options here on the block. Let's quickly look at this. Okay, so you can override the title, hide the title, put a URL in there, override the product description. You can override stuff, set stuff, all kinds of stuff. All right, let's just do publish. Publish. Now let's view the post. There we go. Super, super cool stuff. So as you can imagine, you can do a list of your, the top dog beds, and with that automation piece. Okay, so here that articles, we see that completed. Let's see what this says. View post. Okay, so this was automatically generated. Okay, finding the perfect dog bed, a cozy, understanding your dog's needs. So and it dropped that product in there automatically, generated some pros and cons. Wow, this is super slick. Super slick. Super, super slick. This is I'm going to go down a rabbit hole trying to play with this thing in my spare time. This is wild. Okay. You know what I wanted to do though? Let's open some more. Let's reopen some of these tabs. Okay, I'm going to grab this. I'm going to open this in a browser, another browser on my other screen here. See if we can get some stats to come in. All right, so I visited that article, clicked on buy now, took me to the Amazon website. Okay, so let's come back over here. Let's go to dashboard and see if anything comes in here. Okay, so we've got something here. Views, clicks. Let's go to performance. Total views 2, total clicks 1, click through rate. Wow, this is really cool. Products. Okay, so those are our products. Yeah, we already knew that. Nothing's out of stock. Articles. Awesome. I think we've done it. I was a little nervous going into this. I'll be honest with you because I just thought, I have no experience with this particular affiliate marketing type of thing with Amazon. API keys or multiple API keys were involved. I was like, okay, this could be interesting. This couldn't be easier. Could not be easier. So we did the blocks, product research, find the products. You can do some product research, link cloaking. We covered AI articles. We showed how that works. We looked at the analytics, out of stock tracking. We looked at that, and product updates. We briefly talked about that because you want to make sure that you stay on top of how the products themselves are doing. Wow. All right. Super happy with this. And this is going to be a rabbit hole that I'm going to go down personally and see what this is all about. This is really super cool. Anyway, thanks Nathan for being a partner. And guys, I think you can see how awesome this plugin is. So, yep. Hope all is well, guys, and we'll catch you in the next video.